Hi guys, it's me Najma from the Hair Zaman. Today we're gonna how to make ribie and Gacha live. So yeah, ribie, don't press anything, okay? Don't press these, and that, okay?
Sure.
Oh my gosh! Wait, first, AKA we're gonna make the video that I have a new pet. What? Ribie have a new pet. Oh.
Real.
Okay, so don't do it fast, okay, Ribie? You do like tap like this, like that, okay? Something, okay. Wait, sit down. Right here, go here, go here. Jeez, my wheeze. Okay. So we make sure don't put in here. Don't. I'll grab a chair.
Sure, just grab a chair then.
So,
My hair is this one. Actually, no. Not that one. Sorry. Wrong one. This one. And why am I wearing a hat? My front is... And why?
She moves really fast. Okay. Don't do it really fast. What her doing is like this. I call it like this. Actually,
So
that's
this.
She knows the 110,
And my hair is this one.
it is what is that? It's
Actually, no!
you have a lot of mistakes. Wow, baby, is that wow?
Oh, this one. Don't judge us if
She
it's...
used I forgot, but make sure pause the video.
No.
Make sure pause the video. So, Ribie, don't do it really fast, okay? So you can make Ribie skin.
So, Najma is really weird. This is my color
Hey,
of the base.
Wait, I thought it's what is it? Yellow.
I know, but I changed it.
So it's like Ribie.
The tips I don't
I
actually.
hate tips. You just wear some tips, okay?
I don't need tips. My eyes. I don't wear glasses.
I hate wearing glasses. That's your eyes.
No. I like
I
this
can
one.
use these.
Oh!
Gacha. Hey guys, comment down below. Do you like Gacha Life or Gacha Verse? I pick Gacha Life. What do you pick, Ribie?
Ah, what is this? I pick Gacha Life, of course. Like,
Gacha Life is like have a lot of things.
my mouth.
Like you can like,
My eyebrows is the same like Najma's.
of course.
Or this one.
No, I don't need that one.
I mean, I got one. And obviously,
Ribie, I already know you always wear that mount.
I like it. Don't judge.
Tap more if it not like this, like this.
Nope. I'm kind of new, but I still remember.
Okay, no, because it's kind of fail. But I don't have those. I don't have these.
Well, I do like these, but those are just the same like my friend.
Oh no, you can use this like.
Well, sometimes I like to use this all the time.
Why?
That's cute.
Let's do it.
What is happening now? And I was gonna Korean, so I don't really.
Baby,
What?
I'm just asking. Are you sassy?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Then why do you have those?
What those?
You'd have those
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
to make it pretty. I use normal. Like this. Because it doesn't have that. You can use a ninja shirt. And you can use this, you can use this, you can use that. Two. Did you say two? Perfect. You can use these.
Dude.
Perfect.
Dude. I like using this.
Baby, don't make a long video, okay?
Okay.
Hurry up, baby.
And this one. Is that yours? Oh, okay, good. I like green, of course.
Hurry up, baby.
Okay, stop.
I'm not even gonna make the video.
Honestly, yes, I know you use like skirt. Oh, cute.
Oh, that's like. Are you gonna use like skirts?
No, of course I'm using a belt.
Why?
I always use a belt.
I don't like to use this. I don't like to use a belt because you know why?
Why?
I have pants. Are you? I don't like short pants, like really short pants.
So short? No.
I like
So short? No.
But I just use like babies, but I use a skirt. So it looks much good. I don't want to be like, okay, am I sassy or I'm just weird? Baby, hurry up. I think. Are you gonna use gloves?
I do use gloves, but I do use watch.
Later, I'm gonna make my
You
friend.
gotta wake her up.
Guys, I'm gonna say bye.
Okay, good then. Go sleep. In your bedroom. There you are. My shoes are this one or this one. These are cute.
Wow. You like bears?
I love bears.
Love or like?
I like.
So what? Okay. If you love bears, so what happened if a bear kill you?
They're cute.
What happened? Just say out here. Like.
Don't know.
What happened? You see a bear that they're eating snake. Okay.
It is not cringy.
Okay. What happened if a bear? I'm gonna say the word then. What happened if a bear hooks in the eye? A. It hurts. B. It's fine. C. Cringe.
Cringe.
If you married a bear,
I said I like bears.
what do you do? Just say it. A. Awkward. B. Fun. A. Good.
Awkward. This is mostly like a
If
tiger.
you married a lobster, what are you gonna do? A. Freak out. C. B. Don't want to marry. Or C. Want to marry.
Cringe. I don't
Don't say
know.
cringe.
Don't care, but it's
Oh
cringe.
yeah, you say cringe. Cringe.
It's cringe.
Actually, no, don't want to marry.
Mostly my wings are like not most, but like wings are these.
I don't know my wings. Thought I was using your bike.
Shower.
Actually, that's mine.
Wait,
Okay. What would you? Okay.
I forgot my ears.
A creepy house. What do you do? A. Live in it. B. Leave the house. Or C. Pay it.
Leave the house. Leave the house. Leave the house. Leave it.
Baby, hurry up. It's almost like 5 minutes.
I'm getting distracted by you.
Baby, hurry up.
Patience.
I have the video tonight.
Yeah, I'm done.
What's your name, bro? You know my name? I didn't say email. I just said email.
I said I'm not loony.
You are just. Okay, guys. Don't forget sub, like, share. Like all your friends and family, yeah. Don't forget ring the bell, comment, and goodbye.
Bye. Seriously, don't judge. I'm done. Goodbye, peace. It was a long day.